What is going on? I hope everybody's having a good day. I just wanted to come out, talk a little bit about the new ZL1 that we got for the channel. I got a 2023. It's a little bit darker silver than what I had originally. This is shark skin metallic. My 2018 was silver ice metallic. I wanted to make sure everybody knew that there are two different cars. And if you couldn't tell, another good way to tell besides the color, because I don't know how well the camera is going to pick this up, especially being it's still a similar shade of silver. It's just like I said, this one's a little bit darker than my other car. The other way to tell for sure, number one, the license plate, but two, the rear fascia of the car. You've got the tail lights back here. You can tell that it's 2019 and up that they changed those. And then, of course, they added that additional rear view camera up in the fin. Without further ado, here's some cinematic shots of the car. Y'all like, subscribe, and thank y'all for watching. Introduction to my new 2023 ZL1 for the channel.